Hello, I'm a dog. My name is Max, and I would like to sing a little number. But I can't sing. I'm not very good at singing. But I would like to tell you. I would like to tell you I'm a dog. Yeah. That means I'm man's best friend. And as man's best friend, I love you very much. 'Cause I'm a dog. And I'll never ever leave you for anybody else. And I'm your best friend till the very end. 'Cause I'm a dog, and I won't leave you in the fog. I'm man's best friend. What else rhymes with this? I'm running out of words. Just know that I love you very much. Ooh, that's all. Thank you for listening to me. Goodbye. I hope you have a good day. And I hope everyone you know has a good day. Yeah. The end.